Good morning, children. Previously, you have learned how Mary Kom struggled hard to become a boxer. Okay, and she took part in that Olympic Games held in London also. Now, next page. Women boxing was introduced for the first time during these games when these Olympic Games were held, and first time this boxing was held. Okay, she was the only woman from India to qualify. Children, mind it, she was the only woman from India to qualify for it in the flyweight. This is a term of this boxing, flyweight 51 kg. Those who have 51 kg, they are first. She had to appear for this 51 kg, though her regular category, she had to part in the category of 48 kg, but she took part in 51 kg. Okay, Mary Kom marked this special occasion by winning a bronze medal, and she took a bronze medal in this category of 51 kg. Okay, after that, she made a very inspiring statement when she won the bronze medal. She made a very, children, keep one thing, this quotation for all of you. She made a very inspiring statement after this occasion when she won the bronze medal. Then she said, people should let their daughters play sports. Only then we will win medal. We win means all the girls medals at the Olympic. She wanted to encourage the people that they should let their daughters to come forward to take part in these games, in boxing also. She is also the first Indian female boxer to win a gold medal. She was the first woman to win the gold medal at the Asian Games, okay, which she did in 2014 in Incheon. This is Incheon, okay. How do you pronounce it? Incheon, South Korea. In South Korea, it is Incheon. When she won the gold medal at this 2018 Commonwealth Games, she became the first Indian woman to achieve this. Okay, even though Mary Kom became a successful boxer, she never forget her roots. Children, keep one thing in your mind. What is the meaning of she never forgot her? She never forgot her roots. Means she did not forget how she struggled hard in her childhood. As a child, she suffered a lot of hardships. Hardship means she had to go through very hard days, hard work. She had to work very hard. These experiences made her stronger and made a determined person. These hard work made hard. She had to go through struggle, and this struggle made her a stronger and a more determined person. Determined means she had a more willpower that I can do it, I will do it. It also made her humble. Humble means she was polite, and she wanted to give back to to society as well. She wanted to be an example for others also. So in 2016, she, along with her husband Onler, what's the name of her husband? Onler. They both of them founded Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation. Okay, this pioneer means they have given new ideas, was set up at Mary with the aim of promoting the boxing sport amongst youth. They wanted to promote and wanted to encourage the youth, young people belonging to the poor family, those who belong to poor family. Both of them encouraged them that they should come forward of Manipur and other parts of Northeast India. Okay, Mary Kom was awarded the Padam Shri Award. Do you know Padam Shri, the biggest award, India's fourth highest civilian honor, means outstanding achievement. This award is given for the outstanding achievements. Okay, in 2010. In 2013, she was accorded means she was given the third highest civilian again outstanding for achievement. Okay, the Padam Bhushan. First she was given Padam Shri, then she was given Padam Bhushan for distinguished. Okay, distinguished means very special service of high order in field of sports. Okay, it means in the end we'll end this chapter by saying that Mary Kom proved herself to the strongest person, and she made her India proud by winning all these two great awards like this Padam Shri and Padam Bhushan. Okay, I hope children you might have understood the chapter, and we will discuss the question answer. Okay. Children, let's discuss the question answer. Why is India proud of MC Mary Kom? MC Mary Kom, I told you, na, Mante, what is? Mante Chingjan. Okay? Why? Because she has been placed number 1 position in IBA, in International Boxing Association ranking 1. Okay? She was placed in number 1 position, and she proved herself that women can do everything if she is determined. Okay? Why did Mary have to take care of the brother and sister? Because she was the eldest of 3 brother and sister. That's why she had to take care of brother and sister. Why did the walk? Children, by mistake I have made there also is the. Okay? Why did the walk to the school itself require a lot of efforts? Because this walk was for 2 hours. 1 hour to go, 1 hour to come back. They had to walk for 2 hours. That's why it was require a lot of effort. It was very difficult to walk for 2 hours continuously on foot. Okay? What inspired Mary to become boxing as a sport? His boxer Dinko Singh. A boxer Dinko Singh inspired her to be a boxer. Okay? What was one of the best moment of Mary Kom career? Her best moment was when she took part in 2012 Olympic Games held in London. Okay, clear? Now I hope you can do easily. Okay, everything is clear in the chapter also. And these value-based question, Mary's father, I will give you later on also. Mary's father had trained the children to work from young age. Do you think this has played a role in her success? Yes. Why? Because Mary's father was illiterate. He was uneducated, and he didn't want that his children should go like this. So he trained the children to study, to work hard, and this way that Mary had been succeeded. Okay? People should let their daughters play sports. Only then we will win medals at the Olympics. What do you understand from this quote? This is very much clear that she wanted to inspire, encourage the people that the girls are always better, can be better than boys also, and they wanted to say that people should let their children come forward to take part in boxing also, in other events also. Okay? Even though Mary Kom became a successful boxer, she never forgot her roots. I told you earlier also, she never forgot her roots. Because what was her root? To struggle hard. She worked very hard. She struggled hard. Due to hardship, she became a successful boxer. Okay? Now children, let's discuss this homophones. Homophones are the words which have the same pronunciation, but the spellings are different. Okay? See, bear, to put up, bear means without cover. Okay? See, a body of water, samundar ko bolte na. See, to recognize, that to see, to visit. Okay? 8, past tense of eat, this is 8 number. Okay? Sell, small room, this is sell something for money. Okay? Heal, to become well. Heal, my wound is becoming healing up. Okay, ठीक हो रहा है. Heal the rounded back part of the foot. Now let's fill these homophones. Okay, children, let's fill these homophones. We went to see the doctor. See particular. Okay, be careful how what spelling you would write here. See the doctor and who lives by the sea. Okay, the neighbors sell vegetable from the cell in their porch. Cell means there is small room. Okay, old mother Hubbard's cupboard was bare. She asked the children to bear with her till the food was ready. Was bare means there was nothing. She asked the children to bear with. To bear means to uske साथ be patient. Okay. Sheila ate ate, or the past form of eat. Sheila ate 3 eggs for the breakfast and Santi had 8. Okay. Use the ointment is a cream, ointment to heal the cut on your heel. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to, okay. Now let's do this human physics related parts. Okay. See, thin, a person who has too little fat in the body. That is, all these words are used for the human physique. Okay. Gaunt we used to describe a very thin face. Okay. Slim, thin in an attractive way. Lean, slim and strong. Stocky, strong and white. Okay. Plump, slightly fat. Plumpy boy कहते हैं ना. Lanky, tall, thin and not very graceful. According to these sentences, you fill all these words here. Okay. See, children in their early teens have a thin appearance as they are growing fast. When the children grow up, they seem very thin also. Okay. My mother exercised regularly to remain lean. एकदम दुबला पतला करने के लिए. Okay. A football coach has a plump physique. It means his body is little fat. Okay. Despite having every meal with butter, Jojo is still slim. Though he is eating butter every day, but he is still slim. Okay. After being ill for a month, my face had become gaunt. My face had become very thin. Okay. Now, I hope you must have understood all the question answer and these exercise, and you will complete all this work. Okay, bye. Thank you. See you later.